The rise of cryptocurrency has brought about a new way to invest. Decentralized applications allow investors to lend, borrow, and trade cryptocurrencies without relying on the services of a traditional intermediary like banks. As such, one of the best bridges to achieve this financial autonomy is via MetaMask. Today, we discuss how to use MetaMask. MetaMask Wallet Tutorial Explained. Before we begin this tutorial, please understand we are in no capacity to provide financial counseling or investment advice. The sole purpose of this video is to introduce you to the dynamics of the MetaMask wallet. Now, if you're still wondering what MetaMask is, let us bring you up to speed. It's one of the many applications you can use to access decentralized applications, dApps, decentralized websites, and other decentralized protocols built on cryptocurrency blockchains, principally the Ethereum blockchain. Before MetaMask, you had to provide the private keys to your cryptocurrency wallet to interact with these dApps, which was extremely risky. However, MetaMask allows these dApps to ask permission to access funds in your MetaMask wallet without giving them your private key.
Huge breakthrough!
Since its first creation in September 2016, MetaMask launched a browser extension with over 2 million downloads and a mobile app with 500,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. As of July 2020, Consensus announced that MetaMask has over 10 million monthly active users. CEO and co-founder Dan Finley said that MetaMask Wallet has defined a new kind of cryptocurrency wallet, where users don't just interact with currencies, but with decentralized applications. So how do you use the MetaMask wallet? We will demonstrate it with this tutorial. And if you want to follow along, make sure you use a browser that supports MetaMask, such as Google Chrome, Brave, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. We recommend Google Chrome since it's been known to work well with the MetaMask interface. However, if you experience any errors while following this tutorial, please try switching to one of those browsers mentioned earlier. One of the coolest and perhaps most important features of the MetaMask wallet are the seed phrases that it provides users. If you want to know what this is about, keep watching. Now, here on this channel, we provide you with access to the latest and greatest crypto news, tutorials, tactics, and regulatory information. If you like to receive this kind of content directly in your feed, subscribe and turn on notifications. First, how to use MetaMask is to download the browser extension. The best way to download MetaMask is through the metamask.io website. Installing it directly from this web address is best because of fake extensions and phishing websites. Again, be certain you see metamask.io, the web address, once your browser opens up. After clicking either of the two download buttons on the MetaMask homepage, your browser should automatically detect it. Since we are using Google Chrome for this MetaMask tutorial, clicking the Install MetaMask button will take us directly to the Chrome Web Store. Then we click on the Add to Chrome button and wait for it to prompt us with a notification that it has been added successfully. After the extension has been added, you'll briefly see a download status at the bottom left of your browser, and then you'll be redirected to the MetaMask setup page. Once you click on Get Started, you'll now click on Create New Wallet. Next, you'll see a page asking about collecting your data for improvement purposes. Now this is by choice. If you love your privacy, you can click No Thanks and proceed to the next stage, or you can fill in the details and move on. It all depends on you. You will then be asked to create your password. After creating a password and checking off terms and conditions, you'll be able to create your MetaMask wallet.
Easy, right?
Anyway, let us know how far the installation experience has been in this first stage. Give us a thumbs up if it's been easy, or a thumbs down if it's been challenging. You know how it feels when your gas tank is empty, and you need to fill it up. Well, the MetaMask wallet provides a gas station for its users, except this time, they are not filling their gas tanks with actual gas, but doing something else in the crypto space. The gas station concept is so unique and brilliant that it makes the MetaMask wallet stand out. We will talk about the gas station soon, so stay tuned. Now to the second stage of this MetaMask tutorial. After successfully creating the MetaMask wallet, there are a few important things to note. The next page contains secret words you must remember in the seed phrase. Click on Reveal Secret Words and kindly jot them down into a safe space, never to be revealed to anyone. Big ups to all the mothers out there. But listen, you cannot even show it to your mom. Sorry, moms. When you're done entering your C phrase, click Next. You'll be asked to enter your C phrase again to verify that you wrote it down correctly. It might seem condescending, but it's safer to be safe than sorry. If you lose this C phrase and can't recover it from your computer backup, you'll lose access to everything in your wallet forever. Financial freedom involves a lot of personal responsibility, so find a way to keep the seed phrase safe on an external device, like a USB drive or an encrypted file on Dropbox or Google Drive. After you've entered your seed phrase, you'll see a success message telling you that you're ready to go. Attention! The gas price and the gas limit are two items you will encounter when you start your transactions. The gas station we mentioned earlier becomes significant to your financial success. The gas station is like your everyday miser. To ensure you're not overpaying for gas fees, the ETH gas station provides you with the most recent Ethereum gas prices, and MetaMask automatically calculates these fees. Keeping your account secure is one thing, but going this extra is unique. The MetaMask wallet, by default, is set on the Ethereum network, so you will need some ETH to commence transactions. If you have ETH, you can transfer it to the wallet. If you don't, you can buy it. To buy ETH, navigate to the top right-hand corner of your browser, click the puzzle icon, and click on the actual MetaMask tab. Now to make a purchase, click on Buy. This will provide many payment methods, including using your bank or debit cards. The ETH you bought will instantly be added to your MetaMask wallet after the payment has been processed, and you can then start making transactions. It's been real with you guys. If you found this video informative, consider watching our next video. Best Crypto Wallets App for Beginners. Top 7 Hot Wallets Ever 2022. You will also find it informative and entertaining. Thanks for watching. We will see you soon in the next video.